So this is our calendar math. You can pause it now and give it a go. Okay, now I'm going to mark the calendar math. So if I go down here, today is Tuesday the 24th of March. It is day 37 of the first 100 days of school. It's 24 odd or even. The answer is going to be even. Just highlight that down there. Okay, list the factors of 24. We can do that. So we know that 1 times 24 equals 24. We know that 2 times 12 is going to equal 24. And we know that 3 times 8 equals 24. And we know that 4 times 6 will equal 24. Okay, and draw the arrays of it. So the arrays are when you do the kind of visual representation. So 1 times 24 will just be one long line of dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And 2 times 12 will be 2 lines of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so that would make 24. 3 rows of 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll get to 24. And then 4 times 6, 4 rows of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And those are our arrays. 24 is definitely composite because there's a lot of ways that we can times, or numbers that we can times together make 24, not just 1 times 24. 24 plus 10 is going to be 34. 13 plus 24, simple algorithm, 1, 3, 2, 4, add that together, we're going to get 7 and 3, so it's going to be 37. This one over here, 276 plus 372. The 200 and the 300 together are going to make 500. Now the 70 plus the 70, I know that's going to be 14 or 140, and 6 plus 2 is 8. Add that together, 500 plus 140 is 640, plus 8, 648. 23 minus 14, let's see if we can do it in an algorithm first, then we'll try another technique. Okay. That's where it's subtraction. Okay, 3 minus 4, can't do that. I'm going to borrow a number off here, make that 13, make that 1. So 13 minus 4 is going to be 9. 1 minus 1 is 0, so it just makes 9. Okay, we'll do the same with the next one, 41. I'm just going to split this up, so I'm going to minus 20 first. So this is 41 minus 23. 41 minus 20 is 21, and then I'm just going to count back 3 times 21, 19, 18. Cool. All right, 502 minus 330. We can do an algorithm with that. 502, 330. Okay. 2 minus 0 is going to be 2. 0 minus 3, can't do that. I'm going to make that a 10, make the 5 a 4. 10 minus 3 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. 172. Again, 5 times 6 is going to be 30. And 7 times 4 is going to be 28. Okay, 43 times 4, I'm going to split that up. I'm going to go 4 times 40. I'm going to ignore the 0 for a moment. So 4 times 4 is 16. And then we're going to add that 0 on to make it 160. Okay, now I'm going to go 4 times 3. Because again, that 43 has been split up. 4 times 3 is 12. Add those together, you're going to get 100. sorry, you're going to get 172. Right, 24 divided by 2, we know that half of 20 is 10, half of 4 is 2, add those together, it's going to be 12. 28 divided by 4, we know that 4 times 7 is 28, so that's going to be 7. 30 divided by 6, we know that 6 times 5 equals 30, so that's going to be 5. Okay, standard form over here, 627.4. So expanding that out, we're going to go 6. Yes, eventually we're going to go 600, and the 10s are 20, and the 1s are 7, and then we're going to get 0.4. Our word form would be 627. Point 4. Okay, school day fraction. Let's go up to the top. What are we doing? It's day 37, so that's 37 out of 100. Okay, 37 over 100. Can we simplify that? No, we can't, because 37 is actually a prime number, so it stays the same. 37 over 100. School day decimal, that's going to become 0.37. Rich math activity. Mr. Knox had 3 dragons. Each of them had 23 teeth. How many teeth were there altogether? So my number sentence for this is going to be 3 times 23 equals something. Because there's 3 dragons. Each of them have 23. So you're counting up in 23s, or 3 times 23s. So let's do this by breaking it up. 3 times 20 equals 60. 3 times 10 equals 30, and 3 times 3 equals 9. Put those together, you're going to get 69. Cool. Write these values on the number line. Oh, number line's a bit skewed. We'll just erase that, make that 24. Okay, so a quarter is going to go around here-ish. Yep, a pass around there. Okay, so that's going to be 1/4. 3/4 is just going to be up here, right between halfway and the end. 3/4, 6. We're actually going up in sixes for 1/4. So 1/4 of 24 is 6. Okay, so 6 there. And then 6 would be here. 12 would be here. 18 is here, the same as 3/4. And then, of course, you got 24 on the end. 75% is the same as 3/4. So it would be there. And that is the end.